cooling during the transformation of plastic materials, Frigel has developed the Ecodry system, a technical solution that optimizes the efficiency of the entire process. The Ecodry system achieves significant increases in productivity, coupled with substantial reductions in both energy consumption and overall impact to the environment. In most processes of converting resin into finished products, cooling represents, among all other phases of production, the longest phase. A reduction in this cooling phase largely improves overall productivity. To optimize the cooling of molds, Frigel proposes microgel and turbogel units. Microgel is designed to maintain and control temperature, pressure, and flow of water through a mold. It combines, in one machine, a water-cooled chiller, 1 or 2 temperature control units, or TCUs, and a free cooling valve, with a very compact size. Turbogel is a TCU, and like the microgel, is installed next to the primary processing machine. It has the same water circuit as microgel, but no chiller circuit. Ideal when water temperature to mold is equal or higher than the cooling water of the main circuit. Available in many sizes, both microgel and turbogel assure optimal process water flow, pressure, and temperature, all through a microprocessor control that guarantees the performance. Both microgel and turbogel units, thanks to the high flow rate of their dedicated pumps, generate increased turbulence inside the mold, reducing the overall delta T across the mold. This system guarantees the highest quantity of water in the mold, resulting in better thermal exchange and uniformity of the temperature in the mold, which mean unbeatable cooling results. Together, this leads to increased productivity, shorter cooling times, shorter production periods, and more precise cooling control. This, in turn, reduces the quantity of scrap and overall waste. These standalone units further reduce the risk of system downtime and are isolated from the rest of the factory processes. Unlike a central system, the Frigel microgel machine-side chiller and TCU consistently reproduces the best cooling conditions in each mold, with complete independence to customize individual machine parameters. An included LCD display allows for real-time reading of temperature, flow, and pressure of water to the process. Example of poor cooling due to a central cooling system. Example of good, even cooling thanks to a dedicated Frigel machine. The microgel unit can also be equipped with an interface for two-way communication with the injection machine to control all available machine settings, as well as an automatic draining kit for quick filling and emptying of water to the mold. To achieve the highest energy savings available, every microgel unit has an automatic free cooling valve that allows a reduction in energy consumption from between 30% to 40% in periods in which it is possible to take advantage of the ambient temperature for cooling. The running costs of the cooling system are further reduced thanks to the increased energy savings and minimum maintenance requirements. In the unlikely case of a refrigerant gas leakage, quantities are very small and with a minimum environment impact. Coupled with the Frigel adiabatic liquid cooler EDK, microgel and turbogel form a complete Ecodry system. This complete solution provides high-precision cooling at specific pumping requirements and is controlled by highly developed software, allowing for real-time control of mold water flow, pressure, and temperature. The EDK keeps water in a closed-loop circuit at ambient temperature. This water, without any evaporation, discharges the heat rejected by hydraulic machines and all microgel and turbogel units. Installation is inexpensive, simple and fast. The main pipe system is not insulated. The Ecodry system is based on a modular concept, allowing for easy expansion. Thanks to our PMR control panel, it is now possible to remotely control all parameters and error messages of the system. In addition, to aid in system troubleshooting, the nearest Frigel service center will be able to remotely check the status of the machine and monitor the working parameters. The Ecodry system, comprising our microgel and turbogel units, coupled with the adiabatic liquid cooler EDK, supply specific cooling solutions for the plastic injection molding industry. For packaging products in general, as well as for PET-specific applications, Frigel proposes the innovative microgel RCP. Frigel also offers applications specifically suited for blow molding and extrusion. More than 5,000 systems installed worldwide testify to the success of this intelligent process cooling solution.